It's just a great house to live in because it suits us to a T, but I'm sure it would suit other people as well. But that was one of the beauties of getting it drawn up from scratch, to be able to go to the designers and say, this is what we want. You know, we want 2 master bedrooms. We want the extra bedrooms for the grandkids to stay. We want this laundry, pantry, whatever. We want 2 living areas with 2 TVs because we don't like watching the same things all the time on TV. And so, you know, they really listened to us, and what we got is absolutely perfect for us. There's isn't anything that we would change, is there?
No, not at all.
There's nothing that we think, we wish we'd done this, or we would rather have done that, or this isn't quite as nice as we thought it would be. It has actually surpassed all our hopes.